Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix easy anti-cheat not installed on Steam games. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This issue is quite common, but the good news is that the fix is very simple and doesn't take much time. First, open up the Steam application on your computer and head over to the Library tab from the top navigation. From here, locate the game that is showing the easy anti-cheat error. Once you find the game, right-click on it, hover over Manage, and then click on Browse Local Files. This will open the game's installation folder on your system. Inside the game folder, look for a folder named Easy Anti-Cheat. Open this folder and you should see a file called Easy Anti-Cheat Setup. What you need to do next is right-click on this file, click Show More Options, and then select Create Shortcut. After the shortcut has been created, right-click on the shortcut and choose Properties. In the Properties window, you'll see a Target field. Click inside that text box, move your cursor to the very end of the text, press the spacebar once, and then type install prod-fn. After adding this, click Apply and then OK. Now, right-click on the shortcut you just edited and select Run as Administrator. This will automatically reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat for the game, and in most cases, this step alone will fix the issue. Once it finishes, try launching your game again to see if the error is gone. If the problem still isn't fixed, head back to the Steam application. Again, right-click on the same game, but this time click on Properties. From the left-hand menu, select Installed Files, then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the game files and replace anything that might be missing or corrupted. Wait until the process reaches 100%, then close the window. After verifying the game files, try launching the game one more time. In most cases, following these steps will completely resolve the Easy Anti-Cheat not installed error. And that's it. So that's basically how you can easy anti-cheat not installed on Steam games. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.